I'm going to show you in this perspective how to use a cast net. So what I've done here, I put this little handle around my hand and I've looped up about 1 foot loops. 1 foot loops. So that I'm holding this. I'm going to reach down, see where this changes here. The mesh changes, so I'm going to grab about there. Transfer it to this hand. You got to make sure there's nothing tangled at all. So the biggest thing, it's not going to lay right if it's tangled. Like I see a tangle here. A little bit, yeah, right here. You're never going to get that full pancake with a tangle. So the next thing you're going to do is grab half of this, about halfway down. Put it in your hand. Now you've got this. Grab straight in front of that area, put it over your thumb, hold your thumb up. Now bring this over, you've got like 1/4 of it open. You should be able to get a nice, good circular pancake with your cast net thrown it this way. So you want to twist around to the back. That is how we throw a cast net in the surf.